usually drink coffee before starting work every morning?
Yes, I usually drink coffee before starting work every morning.
What are you doing right now while sitting at your desk?
I'm writing some important notes right now while sitting here.
Have you ever visited London with your family during the holidays?
Yes, I have visited London with my family during last holidays.
Did you attend the birthday party that your friend invited you to?
Yes, I attended the birthday party my friend invited me to.
Will you join us for the picnic we planned next Saturday?
Yes, I will happily join you for the picnic next Saturday.
Do you usually read books before sleeping every single night?
Yes, I usually read interesting books before sleeping every single night.
Do you often practice English with your classmates during school breaks?
Yes, I often practice English with my classmates during the school breaks.
Does your teacher explain grammar rules clearly in every English lesson?
Yes, my teacher always explains grammar rules clearly in every English lesson.
Do you play football regularly with your close friends on weekends?
Yes, I play football regularly with my close friends every weekend.
Do you always eat breakfast at home before going to school?
Yes, I always eat a healthy breakfast before going to school.
Do you usually help your parents with household work every Saturday?
Yes, I usually help my parents with household work every Saturday.
Do you watch television after finishing your homework in the evening?
Yes, I watch television after finishing my homework in the evening.
Do you attend English classes every morning before starting your job?
Yes, I attend English classes every morning before starting my job.
Do you sometimes visit your grandparents during the long summer holidays?
Yes, I sometimes visit my grandparents during the long summer holidays.
Do you often use dictionaries when learning new English vocabulary words?
Yes, I often use dictionaries when learning many new English vocabulary words.
What are you doing right now while sitting quietly at home?
I'm writing my homework right now while sitting quietly at home.
What are you reading while sitting outside under the tall tree?
I'm reading a very interesting book while sitting outside now.
What are you watching on television at this exact moment?
I'm watching an exciting movie on television at this exact moment.
What are you learning these days to improve your English speaking?
I'm learning new grammar rules these days to improve my speaking.
What are you eating for dinner while your mother is cooking?
I'm eating fresh vegetables for dinner while my mother is cooking.
What are you doing now while your brother is outside playing football?
I'm studying English grammar now while my brother is outside playing.
What are you wearing today for the special event in school?
I'm wearing my new uniform today for the special school event.
What are you writing in your notebook during this English lesson?
I'm writing many useful notes in my notebook during this lesson.
What are you talking about with your friends right now?
I'm talking about football matches with my friends right now.
What are you practicing today to improve your confidence in speaking English?
I'm practicing conversation today to improve my confidence in speaking English.
Have you ever finished reading a very long book completely alone?
Yes, I have finished reading a very long book completely alone.
Have you ever visited another country during your summer school holidays?
Yes, I have visited another country during my summer school holidays.
Have you already completed the project given by your English teacher?
Yes, I have already completed the project given by my English teacher.
Have you ever spoken English with a foreigner on the internet?
Yes, I have spoken English with a foreigner on the internet.
Have you ever tried writing your own short story in English?
Yes, I have already tried writing my own short story in English.
Have you ever seen that famous movie everyone always talks about?
Yes, I have seen that famous movie everyone always talks about.
Have you already prepared your homework for tomorrow's English grammar class?
Yes, I have already prepared my homework for tomorrow's English grammar class.
Have you ever practiced speaking English in front of a large group?
Yes, I have practiced speaking English in front of a large group.
Have you ever eaten food from a country different than yours?
Yes, I have eaten food from a country very different than mine.
Have you ever helped your classmates prepare for an English competition?
Yes, I have helped my classmates prepare for an English competition.
How long have you been studying English grammar every single day?
I have been studying English grammar every single day for months.
How long have you been waiting outside the classroom this morning?
I have been waiting outside the classroom for almost 30 minutes.
How long have you been reading that interesting novel by yourself?
I have been reading that interesting novel by myself for days.
How long have you been practicing English writing at the computer?
I have been practicing English writing at the computer since yesterday.
How long have you been talking with your best friend on phone?
I have been talking with my best friend on the phone for hours.